Good evening, and we welcome you to a special episode of BW Police World Khaki Dialogues. Today we have a very special guest with us, Mrs. Rachna Golchha. She is the president of the Police Families Welfare Society. She is the wife of Delhi Police Commissioner Satish Golchha. A science graduate and a legal professional herself, she has represented the government institutes as a counsel before the Supreme Court and the Delhi High Court. As the president of the Police Families Welfare Society, she has been a dynamic and compassionate leader with a vision to bring holistic development for Delhi Police. Today we will talk to her about her vision, her thoughts, and what is her action plan for Delhi Police's welfare. Welcome to this conversation.
Thank you.
What is your vision as the president of Police Families Welfare Society? How do you want to shape it up ahead?
So it is an honor for me to carry forward the rich legacy of past presidents who have laid a strong foundation for PFWS. My vision is to strengthen PFWS as a dynamic, compassionate and inclusive support system for every Delhi police family. We aim to empower women, educate children and ensure every member feels confident, cared for and connected. Moving forward, our focus will be on expanding skill development, digital literacy and wellness initiatives to reach every household. We are also working to make the organization more self-sustaining and future-ready through greater engagement and ownership from the police families themselves.
Right. Ma'am, tell us about various initiatives that have been started for educational purposes. Kids are like the core of a policeman's life, his family. So please tell us more about them.
So education remains a key pillar of our welfare initiatives. Our goal is to provide every police child with equal access to quality education and growth opportunities. We have launched career counseling programs, admission guidance for higher education and skill building workshops in collaboration with NGOs and educational partners. In addition to academics, we focus on public speaking, personality development and confidence building, aiming not just to shape good students but well-rounded and capable young individuals. We currently operate 3 Delhi Police public schools, providing quality education to our children of Delhi Police personnel at concessional rates. Additionally, scholarships are awarded to meritorious students and deserving and unprivileged students to support and encourage their academic aspirations.
Families are said to be the backbone of a policeman's life, anyone's life. You have a core aim to build happy, better police families. Tell us more on that.
Behind every police officer's strength is a supportive and resilient family. At PFWS, our mission is to nurture and empower families. Our 14 welfare centers across Delhi serve as safe and empowering spaces for women to learn, earn and grow. We offer vocational training, support self-help groups and promote small-scale entrepreneurs. These initiatives have helped women gain confidence, financial independence and a sense of purpose, creating stronger families and a stronger force.
Ma'am, tell us about some wellness projects. There are many wellness projects that Police Families Welfare Society takes up. Also, there has been a focus on the mental health of the policemen and their families. Tell us more. Yes.
So, policing is a very demanding profession, both physically and mentally. That's why wellness, particularly mental health, is a major focus for us. The Smita Therapy Center at Malviya Nagar is our flagship initiative, offering speech, occupational and physiotherapy to special children of police personnel. The progress we see is deeply rewarding. Beyond this, PFWS also organizes regular yoga classes, free health camps and stress management workshops at our welfare centers. All these 14 welfare centers, we do that. We also conduct interactive sessions with doctors and mental health professionals. And also to address common concerns and provide counseling and guidance. A healthy and happy family contributes directly to more motivated and effective police force, and that is our ultimate goal.
Wives of police personnel display various talents from various craftsmanship, various arts they have. So do you plan to root this talent and build a business model out of it?
Yeah, that is what we are trying for. So our police families are immensely talented. We provide women a platform to showcase and sell their handmade products, and including accessories like hand painted Madhubani dupattas, candles, home decor like tea napkins, hand towels, bed sheets, and hand knitted woolens, condiments, pickles, organic soaps and textiles through our Swayam initiative. We have set up Swayam shops at key locations. We have 3 stores where we only display products made by our police families. We also actively participate in all these popular exhibitions and Diwali melas like Delhi Heart and Blind School Mela. It's going on right now, yes, and Manaswini Moti Bagh, and to showcase our products and also showcase our products in various malls.
Okay.
We do it from time to time. Our vision is to evolve this into a sustainable business model.
Okay.
We conduct training sessions on marketing, branding and online sales.
Okay.
The next step is to bring PFWS products to digital marketplaces, turning creativity into income and self-reliance.
Absolutely. Ma'am, you are a legal professional yourself. You've practiced law and represented the government institutes. Now, do you think that educating the police families on laws and their rights, especially after the new criminal laws were introduced, do you think will that strengthen the families?
Definitely. Legal awareness builds confidence, independence and empowerment. As a legal professional, I firmly believe that understanding one's right is very important, and responsibilities. It strengthens families and fosters a sense of security. We plan to hold legal awareness sessions, especially for women, on key topics such as cyber safety, women's rights, and recent changes in family and social laws.
True.
A legally informed family is not only better prepared to protect itself, but also plays a vital role in creating a just and responsible society.
Absolutely, absolutely. Ma'am, welfare is often a subject often a subject that is neglected, not much spoken about, or sometimes it's not much spoken about. So, how can we make welfare a new normal, normal in policing?
So, it should not be seen as an add-on. Welfare should not be seen as an add-on. It is essential to effective policing. When family feels supported and valued, morale naturally improves. The morale improves, definitely. At PFWS, we are working to embed welfare as a continuous process, not just an event. Through regular programs in education, healthcare, skill development and emotional well-being, we aim to make welfare a core part of police culture.
Right.
Supporting our families is not just a duty, it's a long-term investment in building more human, resilient and committed police force.
Very well put, ma'am. I think the vision that you have, the steps that you are taking, and the road map that you have crafted is going to take you a long way and also bring you a lot of success.
Thank you, Ujjwala.
And thank you so much for talking to us, enlightening us on all the good work that the Police Families Welfare Society is doing.
Thank you, Ujjwala.